and welcome to English in Real Life. My name is Lucy.
And I'm Tom.
Recently, we have talked about English at a market, English at a supermarket, and we will continue that theme, but today we will focus only on grocery store vocabulary.
Great. Let's learn together. I think it is best to start from the beginning, entering the store, and we will finish with paying for your purchase.
I agree. Let's get straight to the point. But even before shopping, many people make a shopping list. A shopping list is a list of things you need to or plan to buy. For example, my shopping list has milk, bread, eggs, and vegetables. Do you make a shopping list before you go to the store?
No, not usually. What about you?
Yes, I almost always have a list ready before going shopping. But sometimes I only need a few things, then I will not prepare a list.
Makes sense. Let's continue.
Sure, when you enter a grocery store, you usually take a shopping cart, a large cart you push around the store, or a shopping basket, a smaller basket that you carry. For example, I need a shopping cart because I'm buying a lot of food. Or I only plan to buy milk and bread, so a shopping basket is okay. When you enter the store, you will usually see the produce section, the area with fresh fruits and vegetables. From the produce section, you can buy apples, bananas, carrots, tomatoes, cucumbers, and of course, many other fruits and vegetables. In the produce section, you can find bagged fruits and vegetables and loose single ones that you can choose and need to weigh before buying.
As you probably know, supermarkets have many different sections. Bakery is the section where you can find bread, cakes, pastries. In the dairy section, you can find milk, cheese, yogurt, butter. In the frozen food section, you can buy frozen pizza, ice cream, or frozen vegetables. Meat section is where you can buy chicken, beef, or pork. In the snacks aisle, you can find, for example, chips, candies, and cookies.
You just said a word that may be new for our listeners. Aisle. Notice the word. The S is silent. The aisles are the long rows between shelves. For example, excuse me, where is aisle 5? Cashier is the person working at the checkout. Checkout is the place where you pay. Receipt is the paper showing what you bought and how much the items cost. Discount/sale means lower prices or special offers. Every item in the store is for sale. But when something is on sale, it means the price is smaller than usual. For example, these apples are on sale today, or a special offer. When you buy 4, you get 1 for free.
Who doesn't love a sale, right?
Of course, we all do, but we also love learning English, so let's practice together. I will say some sentences. We will also put them here on the screen for you. If I'm done, I will make a pause so that you can repeat after me. If possible, say them out loud. Where can I find the dairy section? Do you have a shopping basket? These cookies are on sale. Can I get the receipt, please? Are these on sale? Where is aisle 4? Where can I find the deli section? Where is the checkout? Could you please help me find the candies?
Great job today. Now you know useful grocery store vocabulary for real-life English conversations. Next time you go shopping, try using these words in English. If you found today's episode useful, please leave a like and subscribe. Until next time, bye.
Bye.